There's no time I don't remember, golden fields and warm December. Every second, every sigh, my homeland lives where dreams don't die. I left my heart beside your rivers, my soul where every tree still shivers. With voices of my youth so bright, still calling me in every night. I'm going back to the Philippines, where love is real, where hope still gleams, where laughter lives in every street, and home and heart at last will meet. No matter how the years have flown, my roots still whisper, come back home. I dream of faces lost in time, my mother's voice a lullaby, my father's hands, my siblings' cheer, alive again when you feel near. Old songs I sang beneath the moon now guide me like a sacred tune. The scent of rain on mango leaves still stirs a child inside of me. The laughter echoing through trees return the waves upon the sea. Sometimes I think it's real somehow, but it fades when I awaken now. Still deep inside I see your skies, and tears of joy well in my eyes. I'm going back to the Philippines, where love is real, where hope still gleams, where laughter lives in every street, and home and heart at last will meet. No matter how the years have flown, my soul still calls that land my own. The winds may shift, the roads may bend, but every path brings me again to shores that wait with open arms, to love me with their timeless charm. I'm going back to the Philippines to live the song within my dreams. I've carried you in all I do, and now I'm coming home to you. No matter how the world may spin, my journey leads me back again.